Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Greater Portmore, and if you notice how these JUTC buses are just parked on the road, this straight ahead is the Greater Portmore shopping center, and across from there is where you have this open lot, is where they need to build a proper bus park for the Greater Portmore area. Now, as you can see, quite a few buses are parked out here. So they need to build a proper facility right here where you have the dirt patch. They need to put up a structure, nothing as fancy as the Halfway Tree Transport Center, but pave the area, put up some sort of covering so that people can get on and off the bus in some comfort, and also you don't have the buses just parked on the road interfering with the flow of traffic. So guys, what do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. And as you can see, there is a lot of space here, and the government owns this land, so they could easily build a better structure for the buses to park. Now you have the Portmore depot you have the Portmore depot in Portmore, but passengers don't load or unload, or I should say get on or off the buses at the depot. That is where they park the buses and that's where they gas them up. It's not open to the public. So technically Portmore has no bus park, so to say. They have nothing like the Halfway Tree Transport Center or even what happens by Papine in downtown Kingston. Now they're building the Portmore Resilience Park, and they have plans to put in some sort of JUTC transport center there. But they also need one over here in Greater Portmore. And this area has a large population. You can see how many buses are parked out here. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. This is a nice view of the land. You could easily build a Greater Portmore Transport Center over here. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.